The past 30 days has been rather toxic also. I have to use the word toxic. It was really turbulent. The events, as is with life, we have our ups and downs. While getting from the up aspect, it went to the down aspect. Last 30 July, we were able, there was a dastardly and brazen attempt to illegally substitute some goods in our procurement process. We were able to stop it because the thrust of the Asenso administration is good governance. Every week, we take an oath, we repeat, na hindi tayo makikipagbahagi sa katiwalian at pipigilan at isiwalat natin ito sa tamang paraan. And that is what I did. I ordered a fact-finding inquiry, but in the meantime, those people directly involved at the outset have already been made to undergo preventive suspension. For those of you that are not familiar with the bidding process, the bid documents are, I should refer to, sacrosanct, because the bidder is bound by it. Dili ka pwede magdungag ni anak at sa part sa bidding process. What was done was certain wayward employees attempted to insert other documents to make it appear na ang gi-order nato, let's say brand A, is already brand X. What is worse is not contended with inserting the document in the purchase order that I signed. Previously, which was brand A, it was altered also to make it appear that I ordered brand X by pasting brand X over that. Those are the facts. I am not concluding that those involved are guilty at this stage. They have the presumption of innocence. But we have to resort to protective measures like preventive suspension so as that they cannot use their office to influence or otherwise affect the conduct of the investigation. So right now, we are looking for a prima facie case. Ang sakit sa ako, no? And there are those whom I consider colleagues here, being a member of, being a city administrator for quite some time and dealing with the department heads. But somehow they feel that they are smarter than me. Well, each and every one can have your own conclusion. No? But the point of the matter is that the laws of nature prevents a dual occupancy of a certain space. And I am here. So for those who believe na you are much better, then try me. Sulay. Balik na ko, ang sakit sa akuha ani. It's not only because they are engaged in such kind of a practice. What is more painful is that they want to make it appear that I was a party to the transaction by altering the very document, the purchase order. Ngunit sakit. Nonetheless, We cannot live by bickerings. We have the month of August to contend with. So let's set this aside.